Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is their next action towards you. Whomever you are looking for, the person, what is their next action towards you? So it's a pick a card reading. You need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose white pile, their next action towards you. So pile number 1, who choose white pile. As of now, this person is not going to take any kind of action towards you. They are crying over spilled milk. They may be currently they are going through some sad situation, or they lost something in their life, so they are crying over that lost thing. They are not in a mood to look at the things which are available to them, or the opportunities which are available to them. They are very much busy at looking the spilled milk or whatever they already lost. The thing is, this person they still have 2 more cups in their other side, but they are not looking that side. They are simply looking at this side where the 3 of cups are fell down, which is not there. He is very much concentrated or focused on these 3 of cups, and he is crying over whatever loss they gone through, or currently they are going through. This person's current situation is they are in sorrow. They are suffering from loss, some kind of loss, no matter what loss it may be. If it is a cups, means obviously it will be related to their love life or relationship matters. So something bad has happened. Maybe they had some dream which is not fulfilled. So they are crying over that. They are feeling sad about that dream, which they thought, maybe they thought in the past that they are going to fulfill the dream, or they can bring that dream into reality. The thing is, they are unable to do that. They fail to do that, maybe. That's why they are, maybe now they don't have chance to fill these 3 cups. That is for sure. But the thing is, they have these 2 cups. Still there is cups. It is total 5 of cups. 3 is filled, but 2 is still there. But the thing is, this person is very much busy at looking at these 3 of cups rather than these 2 of cups, which is still there. So maybe you are offering something to them. If at all you are offering something to them, they are very much busy at what they lost. So they are not in a place or not in a mood to look at what you are offering. So as of now, this person not in a position to take any kind of action towards you, not towards their life, I can say. Because when they are ready to take the action towards their life also, in their life, first they see these 2 of cups. But here, this person is very much interested in the past, I can say. They are not ready to look at the present or future. This 3 of cups is past. It is already happened. They cannot change it. This 2 of cups is like present. They have it in their life. So here this person can easily turn their head and look at this side. They can find these 2 of cups. It's a very beautiful union. They can have this 2 of cups union in their life. But the thing is, here this person is crying over this past, which was already happened, and even they know that they cannot change it. No one can change the past, but they can do something in the present. They can grab that opportunity in the present moment, what they are getting, whatever opportunities available in their life. So whoever it is, pile number 1, for whomever you selected this pile, this person is not in a position to look at some new opportunities in their life as of now. So as per my suggestion, you better concentrate on yourself. If at all you are offering something to them, or you are waiting for this person's action towards you, you are waiting for some kind of action from this person, just forget about it. Concentrate on yourself, because don't waste your time. This person, I don't think he will come out of this situation as of now. They will spend some time in this situation. Okay. And if at all you are not in these two of cups, better you move on in your life, because this person, if at all he come out of this sadness also, immediately find this 2 of cups. So if at all you are not in this 2 of cups, it is better to move on in your life. First thing, if at all you are in this 2 of cups also, you involved in this 2 of cups is one is yours, it is okay. But if it is not, then it is better to simply, it is mean that you already involved in this person's life. There is a chance that they will look at you, they will take some action, at least not now, after some time. So for that some time, you don't waste waiting for this person. Do work on yourself. Do whatever you are doing in your life. Concentrate on yourself. Concentrate on your career. Concentrate on your personal life, without including this person. Okay, when they are ready to come out of this sorrow, then they will approach you, because they immediately find this 2 of cups. If at all you are not at all related to this person's life, you better move on, find your own path. You just move on with your life, because first thing, this person will take time to come out of this past. Second thing, if at all he come out also, this person first, they will find this 2 of cups, not you. Okay, so act as per your situation. Here I can say that whoever it is, as of now, this person is not in a position to take any kind of action. So it is better to concentrate on yourself rather than thinking about this person to take action. So concentrate on yourself, look at your goals, work on yourself, give your time to some other people, your family, your friends, whoever they may be, where you will find happiness. Because this person not ready to, if at all you are ready to give happiness also, this person is not ready to take that happiness. They don't want to involve with them in this happiness, because they are very much attached to those 3 of cups, whatever they lost, attached to their past. So it is better you do your thing. So let's move on to pile number 2, which is yellow pile. Their next action towards you. So pile number 2, whoever choose yellow pile. In the past, this person may be rejected your proposal or any kind of opportunity you offered them. This person did not took that offer. Currently, they are thinking to accept that offer. Whether you are still offering or not, that's a different story. But in the past, they may be having some different perception about your situation or about their life, how they look at the life. Currently, they changed their perception about the situation as well as about the things in their life. So now they are thinking to accept your proposal. Now it depends on you whether you are ready to offer that cup of love again to them or not. But here they have so many options actually in the past. But the thing is, they are not ready to accept any kind of offers from anyone. Maybe they are going through something in their life where they are not having time or not in a position to accept any kind of offer regarding love. Maybe they are not ready to accept anyone's love. Maybe they are closed with. Their heart chakra may be blocked because they have so many offers, not just your offer. So finally, this person came out of this situation. Whatever situation they are in the past, they are thinking actually in the past, they are thinking about to accept the offer or not. Finally, they came out of it. They may be gone through something. Finally, they came out of that situation, and now they are thinking about to take or to accept that proposal. Maybe they think that that proposal is still open for them. Maybe you are still offering them that proposal or that offer. That offer is still available to them. So they are finally they are thinking to, or they are taking action towards you, that to accept that love, accept that offer. In the past, it is not that they rejected you, but the thing is, they are in their own thoughts. They are not ready to accept anyone's offers, and now they are ready to take action towards you or other options, other opportunities. They are in a positive mode, I can say. Maybe in the past they are negative about these offers or this love concept of love or relationship. They may be in the negative thoughts, but they changed their perception. They finally looking at the situation with a different perception, where they want to accept the offer either from you or from other offer also. Maybe they decided to enter into the relationship, accept that love offer, that cup of love from you, or because there is other options also. So that's why I'm telling, it is not simply with you, but this person next action is accepting love either with you, or if at all your offer is not available, they are ready to accept other opportunities, other offers, whatever offers they have currently in their life. So finally, their next action is entering into love, I can say, or they are ready to enter into the relationship. Maybe in the past they are not ready. Maybe in the past they may be having some commitment issues, commitment phobia kind of things. Now they came out of it. They finally came out of that commitment issues. Now they are ready to enter into relationship matters. So their next action is they are ready to take offer. If at all, pile number 2, if you are watching this, if you are still interested in this person, offer your cup of love. They are now, this time they will accept your offer. I don't think in the past they rejected you. They simply did not told anything, I can say, or they just kept hold. So now they are ready to accept that offer, if at all you are offering. If you wait so here I want to suggest something. Anyway, you came to the reading. Here what I am getting is, if you are not offering also, they want to offer that cup of love to you. So now pile number 2, now take action as per your situation, because they may be having offers. Maybe here I am getting that maybe you are the first person they are going to accept. So if you are not offering anything, there is a chances that they will approach you. This time they will offer their cup of love to you. In the past you offered, now they are ready to offer their cup of love to you. Let's move on to pile number 3, who choose red pile. So the next action towards you. So pile number 3, who choose red pile, their next action towards you. They want to offer something stable. they want to offer like long-term commitment. If it is not about relationship also, they want to offer something stable to you. It is Queen of Pentacle, very stable queen. So if at all, whoever watching, if you are a female and you are watching for male, this person want you to be their Queen of Pentacles. Means they want to make you their other half or business partner, because it is a pentacle, so it will come professionally also. It is not just in the relationship matters. So they want to offer something stable, which is partnership, whether it is a business partnership, whether it is a personal life relationship partnership. They want to, actually the thing is, they want to keep you with them. They want some long-term commitment, not short-term. So if at all it is possible, they will propose you for committed relationship, for long-term committed relationship. If it is not possible, they want to offer some business proposal where you both can work together for long term. So finally, in one way I can say that they want you in their life. Whether you are a male, female, this person, whoever you are looking for, this person want you in their life for long term. So they are having different proposals, whether it is a business or personal. Maybe they want to offer the way you are going to react to them, their offer, or the way you are going to, it depends on you. So if at all you are not accepting them for marriage or long-term committed relationship, they are ready to offer you business proposal. If you are okay with long-term committed relationship, they want to offer you that long-term commitment. But the thing is, here clearly they want you in their life. Their main concept is they want you in their life. So they want to keep you in their life, no matter whether it is as a marriage, as a committed relationship, as a business proposal, business partner, but they want you in their life. Now it depends on you whether you are going to accept this offer or not, because it is Queen of Pentacles, it is a stable queen, but I can say that it is more related to materialistic things. So there is a chances that's what, if at all you are not accepting them, they are going to offer some business proposal where you can earn money. So they want you in their life, so there is a huge chances that they will spend some money, or they offer you money, some lump sum money, where you cannot reject their offer. That is their plan, I can say, their action, next action towards you, because they strongly want you in their life as a Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles itself is a stable queen, so they want that stability with you, any form. They want that stability. Now it depends on you what kind of stability you want with them, because it is not just depends on them, right? But the thing is, here they are ready to do anything to convince you, I can say. They are ready to do anything to convince you to stay in their life. So now it depends on you whether you are going to accept this offer or not. But this person is, the next action is they are going to offer something stable to you, where are planning. That is what it is, a stable, because they are planning something that you are not going to reject it. They don't want to get rejected. So that's it. That is the reason they want to make something stable. They want to offer something stable where you cannot say no to them. So now it depends on you whether you are going to accept it or not. So the thing is, they want to accept, they want to offer something stable to you. Their next action is offering something stable. So let's move on to pile number 4, who choose blue pile. Their next action towards you. So pile number 4, the first thing I'm getting is this person want to offer some kind of travel. Their next action is, why I said offer, actually it is next action towards you. Anyway, maybe they are offering something. It is like world tour, the world card. It simply means world trip. So maybe this person, their next action is they want to take you to the world trip. You both completed some kind of cycle in your life. You both completed some kind of cycles. There may be karmic cycles or some contracts, whether it is good karmic or bad karmic, but you both completed some cycles in your lives individually, because here I am not seeing togetherness. So you both individually completed some cycles in your life. Here some union is going to happen. That is a spiritual union. That new cycle will, you both are going to enter in some new cycle. And this person next action is traveling with you, either with the whole world or at least traveling with you. There are your favorite places, but this person next action is traveling with you. They want to travel with you. And they want to share everything. Like if they did not told about them, you don't know about them fully, they want to open up, they want to tell about them. And they want to know about them also, about you. This person, actually the thing is, this person know it or not, here you both completed some cycles in your life. You both are entering in one cycle which you both included in that cycle. Or you both will going to start some new cycle in your life. Not individually, maybe individually you completed some cycles, they may be karmic cycles. Now you both are coming into union where one new cycle is going to start. So this person next action is in that new cycle. It is happening divinely. It is not just after completing cycles. Two people are coming together here. They are entering into new cycle, and this person next action is going having some long journey with you, or they want to travel with you whole world. One is traveling, normal, physical traveling. Second one, they want to have that long journey with you in their life. They want to have that cycle, which is never ending cycle, I can say. If at all it is not physical travel, they want to have this cycle with you, new cycle. Anyway, both are entering in the new cycle. They want to continue this cycle for long term. It is not, the world card is like endless, so it is long term, long journey, I can say, if it is not physical. So the next action, if it is physical, they want to travel with you whole world. If it is not physical travel, they want to have that worldly pleasures or success with you. This person is little bit mysterious, I can say, because I am not getting any messages regarding this person's intentions. So here I can say only their next action is, anyway, they are coming towards you and they want to offer you something where knowingly or unknowingly you people are coming together in one cycle. It is already planned by the divine. So maybe because of that cycle, you both are entering in the new cycle, first thing. And if at all they are in the position to take you to the world tour, it is possible that they want to take you to the world tour. If it is not, then they want to have that worldly pleasures and success with you for the long time, not for short time. So let's move on to pile number 5, which is green pile. Their next action towards you. So pile number 5, their next action towards you, it is justice card. They want to take some legal action towards you. Now it is depends on you for whom you are looking for this card. If at all they are your partner, if you are in a committed relationship, they want to go for divorce legally. If they are your employer, they want to take some legal action towards you. Now you know the situation, what is happened in between you, because in this card I cannot say what happened in between you, what is the situation you are in, but this person simply want to take some legal action towards you. It is Libra. Justice card. They want to speak some truth, or that is what justice means, speaking their truth and taking some action legally. So pile number 5, their next action is taking some legal action. Their next action related to some legal documentation. If at all you are a partner, see, that is the reason. Don't get scared. If at all you are a business partners, their next action is, if at all you are not legally business partners, they want to enter in business partnership, okay, and legally, where you can have also the whole legal documents. But if you are in a committed relationship, here it is not hierophant. That's why if at all it is a hierophant, I can say that it is a marriage. But here it is justice, means they want divorce. It is breaking that relationship legally, not just by words. Legally they want to get that separation. If at all they are employer, you are working under them, there may be something there is something where they can take some legal action towards you. So now you take as it resonates, because it is purely legal action. They want to take some legal action towards you, speaking the truth. Maybe they need to do it in the past only. They are waiting for some proofs or truth here. They may be waiting for some truth, so some information, I can say. They may be waiting for some kind of information which will prove that, or which will help them to take some legal action towards you. Without that information, or without that what they say, proofs, without that proofs, they cannot take any kind of legal action in the past. Maybe that's why they waited for some time. So now they finally got that proofs regarding against you, not regarding, it is against you. They got some proofs against you, so they can take that legal action now. So now you think for whom you are looking, you watching this tarot reading, and think how you involved with them. Based on that, you can consider how they can take legal action towards you or against you. Because here purely they came to know about something. The sword is like having the truth. So they have some proofs. Purely they know the truth. They came to know the truth. They hold the proofs in their hand, which can help them to take legal action against you. So whatever needed, the documentation or proofs to take action towards you, they have it, I can say. Now they have that proofs or the documentations or that whatever needed, which will help them to get justice in this situation, current situation. If at all you are a partner, business partner, and if you are doing any kind of ups and downs monetarily, financially, they maybe don't have any kind of proofs in the past. Now they collected all the proofs regarding that financial manipulation, I can say. Okay, financial manipulations, whatever happened, they got the documentation proofs. So now they can take legal action towards you. If they are your partner, personal, means spouse, they may be waiting for some proofs to get divorced with you. Now they got that. They find out some truths. They find out something, some information about you, which can help them to get divorced. So anyway, whatever required information is there, they gathered. They have it in their hand. They hold it in their hand now. They are ready to take this legal action towards you. Now you know well what kind of situation is there and with whom you are dealing with. So depends on that. What will happen next after taking legal action is, it's totally depends on you. What you did, based on that, things will be there. So thank you so much for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.